We are JW Auto Repair, a trusted member of the Framingham business community. Here, we understand that your car is not simply a way of transportation. It's also a reflection of your personality and lifestyle. It's an important tool that guarantees the safety of your family throughout the several activities of the day, including the most exciting experiences and adventures. That's why we always take the time to listen to your needs and ensure that your car is serviced to the highest possible standard. Our team of expert service all makes and models of cars, ensuring that each one receives the personalized attention it deserves. By using the latest technologies and products, we are able to provide your car with the high-quality care it needs to stay in top condition. Access now and schedule your service.